This is a video of the new installing of the battery. Pick up some batteries. If you're standing still, oh, that's why. If you're standing still and installing a battery, it does it normally. If you're walking and installing a battery and let the time go down or up without pushing the key, you drop the battery. Pick that up. Now if you're running and hit the E key while the arrow is in the green, you will successfully install the battery. And when you're running, the green area is smaller. Oh, as you can see, I dropped the battery. Let's try it again. There we go. And that's the new installing battery. And as you can see, if I press the 9 key, it's the cell phone light, which is going to be a lot easier to see the battery on the floor. Because with the flashlight, it gets brighter as it gets closer to the floor. Ground. You do that with all items. Let's put away the flashlight. Hit the red, obviously does that. Oh, I gotta find that. There it is.